Welcome. Today we will be unpacking the Air France Business Class Travel Kit. When flying business class internationally, you will receive one of these kits. Let's look at the contents. A toothbrush, tissues, a very nice Air France branded pen, hand cleansing gel, toothpaste, cream, an eye mask, some earplugs, a cloth to wipe your sunglasses or smartphone, this particular kit has a smooth leather feel. And lastly, some lip balm. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it.